Guys, there's a big news that is coming from the end of British Council that it will no longer conduct IELTS in India starting 25th July 2021. Yes, guys, we all heard it right that British Council will no longer conduct IELTS in India starting 25th July 2021, which means that IDP will be the sole distributor of IELTS testing in India. Now, there are certain things that you have to take care of. If you have already booked a test with the British Council, okay, if you have already booked your test with British Council and it is a paper-based test before 11th July, or it is a computer-based test before 25th July with British Council, then nothing is going to change. It would be conducted exactly. There's nothing changed for all of you. However, if your IELTS on paper-based test is planned with the British Council after 11th July or IELTS on a computer-based test from 25th July onwards with the British Council, then your test would be conducted by IDP on the same date and in the same city. Okay, IDP will be in touch with you by 7th of July with details about your test. Okay, please make a note of all these changes that are made. Also, one more important thing, one last important thing. Do not get worried. Do not worry. Please do not worry. If you want to book your IELTS on a paper-based test before 11th July or an IELTS on computer-based test before 25th July with the British Council, we are adding the link in the description for the same. Also, if you want to book IELTS on a paper-based test from 11th July onwards or IELTS on computer-based test from 25th July onwards with IDP, we are adding the link for that also. Stay tuned with Leap Scholar. Do subscribe, like, and share.